So we're gonna go to Spoons to go and get some food because it's been a day. Also, there's a Popeyes here, but my friend is allergic. Anyway, it's a bit early for Popeyes. What time is it? 11:40. Do you have something? I made it. It's a bit big. It's a bit big.
Do you know there's meats in the area? That's why I've never been to meat before.
Absolutely, because they're the ones, smart ones.
Those are the ones you need to marry.
Thank you. Enjoy your food.
So I'd say, if you want some of my chips, feel free. And I said, oh, you got your right. Quick question, guys. So when you're having your chips, do you put mayo or do you put ketchup? I personally am mayo, but my friend is ketchup. So, oh, she said both of them. She said both of them. Yeah.
Get it right. Don't get it twisted.
Love is a beautiful thing.
The twist and love is a beautiful thing. It's done jazzy again.
Sorry. It tastes really like a blue bag of chips. Damn, really?
It will fit. It will fit. You've passed the test.
Below the red line. Spectacular. You gotta push it, babe. Oh, it's a bit wibbly wobbly. Push it with your bum. Wow. And that's exactly how you smile at them as well. I told you.
I'm like, you see, you don't have to judge me. Excited. Are you getting excited?
Just a little bit. I want to sit down now. It's not funny anymore.
She's getting a bit tired, actually.
That's why I get excited. No!
What did you say? Say it again.
I'm not hungry, thank you.
She said that there's people here and they're smiling too much. And it's because
I'm hungry, thank you. I could never say such a thing.
she did say that. It's a bit crazy though, isn't it? So I've got a whole row to myself. I'm so blessed. There's literally nobody else on this float with me, on this road with me. Like, this is gonna be a good flight. Yeah.
At the front. In the middle at the stride and proceed normally.
Tried to separate us, and I did have a row to myself until I didn't. But you had a row to yourself, so now we got a roll together. Yeah. Then feet are everything. Where are your shoes? Let me show them where your shoes are. The shoes are on the floor. And she'll do it again. The leg room is insane. Like, look at my legs. This is VIP without VIP price. Do you know what we're going to be doing soon?
Do you have your wristband? Can I get a sense of the feet?
Can I see your wristband? How you go for hate outside the club? We can't even get in.
The next day.
Yesterday was crazy work. Anyway, we have literally like 40 minutes to go and have some breakfast. So we're gonna go and we'll see you there.
dans cette temps, y'a pas de magie. On vient, on prend tout comme ça, y'a pas de gâchis. Pas de semblant, full baby dans 4 matiques. Elle habite solo et ça c'est fantastique, ça c'est méchant. Y'a les baby, c'est large et c'est crazy. Là ton épaule, dis-moi, tell me. Si j't'ai poussé, money, pay me. Yo, Judas, précis comme le sable d'un Yakuza. Si tu marches vite, babe, c'est tout droit. La carte des blocs, disons alléluia. Yo, Judas, précis comme le sable d'un Yakuza. Si tu marches vite, babe, c'est tout droit. La carte des blocs,
Oh, another one. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. So it is literally tracking it down with rain. And we want to go and eat our lunch. So we're gonna have to go. And let me show you what it looks like. It's literally raining so bad. Oh my lord. So we're gonna see how it's gonna make sense for us to get to lunch. We have 30 minutes left.
Do you know you have 30 minutes? Are you kidding me? 30, yes.
But you know what? At least it's raining abroad, not raining in the UK, because it's still warm. I've still got shorts on. Whew. Anyway, I'm gonna run, get inside, and I'll see you guys at lunch. So today, because it's been raining all day, we've literally spent the whole day indoors. We've been watching Married at First Sight Australia. I don't know why, but Princess thought it was a good idea to wear flip-flops. And I'll do it again. It's raining. It is raining.
Now do it again. If your head is telling you on a holiday, just be on holiday.
Commit to the purpose. We're hoping that breakfast is going to be, lunch is going to be better than breakfast. Let's get a decent sized plate this time. So that's my plate. Very interesting combination. So we have spaghetti, we have some fish, apparently a meatball, a couple of chickens and some chips. So, you know.
I can't believe you got the mystery meat.
It's meatball.
Yeah, mystery meat. It's not mystery meat. It is. How's your mystery meat, man? Mysterious.
Cheers, honey. Definitely woke up for a nap. We're gonna go for dinner now. The storm is coming. The storm is not over yet. So I wore like a little cute top that I got from Shein. Shorts, I actually can't remember where I got them from. I've had them for ages. Hopefully the dinner doesn't disappoint like the lunch and breakfast did. But I'm not holding my breath.
Oh gosh. Put your expectations low.
They
and
are.
then guess what? When they're low, can't be disappointed.
Although the good thing is that it has stopped raining. It's a bit spitting. It's a little bit spitty spatty.
Is Jenny Cakes in?
Doing my main meal. Thank you. So yeah, the food here has been very interesting. So, the potatoes are nice. You know what? It has been interesting, but the potatoes are nice. Let me show you my plate. Time we have some chicken, some chili with rice, potatoes, and this one they cooked it fresh. It's the pork, I guess pork belly. It's quite nice. Well, I've not tried it yet. So we were supposed to be staying indoors.
I was ready to stay.
Then we had the bright idea to go outside.
She had the bright idea to go outside.
And this one bullied me to go.
That was crazy. I have evidence. Let me go on my iPad. Show you my downloads. She said my shows are not downloaded. So what am I gonna do? We're gonna go outside.
So we met some really lovely girls. So we're gonna go out and we're gonna have some fun.
Have some fun.
For the plot. We're gonna do. It's Friday night. It's Friday, Sunday, Monday.
I'm trying to pump myself up.
I say cause of that shade and ting. Bad girls wanna throw shade and ting. No
Shade is up, it's a foundation thing.
Dark is great.
The grave I'm in.
49 more if your babes wants in.
I don't know what shit I'm
Happy, famous ting. Goals and things.
You guys look good.
We have woken up maybe 2-3 hours ago. It's been a heavy night. I didn't vlog it because it was a little bit crazy, but we'll do story time later on. But we've been sat in the sun, so we're gonna go get a drink, explore our hotel a little bit more. We're gonna go get a little drink, and then we're gonna continue probably laying in the sun because today is a very beautiful day. It's done jazzy again. Me and my friend were going to Lindos in Rhodes. We're taking a little transfer over. It's going to be so cute. So today I've decided to go with some curly hair. You'll never guess how I curled my hair. So I did not have any bendy rollers or nothing like that, but I really wanted curly hair. So I remembered that I actually came with my leggings. Yeah, so I curled my hair with leggings. Yeah, and it actually came out quite cute. I mean, I had 2 bendy rollers for like the front, but like the rest of the hair is pretty much leggings. Yeah, let me show you my outfit. So I got this dress from Shein. I love it. It's like backless as well, so super cute. I'm like wearing it with a bikini so that, you know, don't see the back. Where's your dress from?
Shein.
Oh, so we're both Shein, babe. Shein. Beauty on a budget.
Nom, 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 nom.
Delicioso.
Delicioso.
You sure?
I love it over here.
She said the sun is out, life is good, worth living.
It's not a race.
Send it to you. Are you tired now?
Look, Grandad's even going before you.
He said he's tired now.
No, he said, are you tired?
I was that's for you.
He said, yeah, keep taking photos.
Ooh, that's nice. They ain't got roaches here or nothing. Oh yeah, absolutely. Can't lie, my heart is going pitter patter because I nearly fell over. I didn't think the floors are so cobbly.
I took a picture of the house.
The floor is so cobbly. Let me show you the grounds that we are walking. I'm scared. The way you're laughing is so adorable. I want one.
Years. And if someone is vegetarian or vegan, you can make this one's vegan. You know,
Should we get 2 different burgers and half it?
You know I don't eat burgers.
You
or
actually
salad.
don't. Or do you want the chicken strips and the nuggets? Don't worry, I'm not going to change his mind. He's gone.
I don't think you change your mind. I want you to enjoy it.
I'll take the pork ones. I'll take pork here. What do you want? What do you want?
What drink?
So today on the menu, Yeah, it's supposed to be Mexican night. This is a Mexican. It's like a beef something. Fish fingers and some potatoes. Let me give you a close up. So fish fingers, beef mexicana, potatoes, and they also had a tortilla wrap with egg and some grilled fish that apparently tastes like steak.
Delicioso. You see how I always eat when you want to feed me?
That's okay, but I don't want it. Just try. Do you know what they call coercion and forcing?
Come on.
Is that beef?
No, it's egg. Can't try by yourself.
Huh? It's our last day today. We're gonna literally have such a chill day today. We're just gonna be sitting outside in the sun for most of it. Our coach is gonna come get us in about, I think it's about 4 or 5 hours. So yeah, we're just gonna enjoy the sun for the last time. So I'll see you guys in a moment.
Si je t'ai poussé, money pay me. Yo, Judas, précis comme le sable d'un Yakuza. Si tu marches vite, puis babe, c'est tout droit. La carte est bloquée, disons alléluia. Da da da. Yo, Judas, j'ai le temps fini. Da da da. Fini, fini, pas timide. Da da da. Rêve en Lamborghini. Da da da. J'ai nous sous sa campé dans da.
It's officially time for us to check out, so we're all a little bit sad. But we managed to, oh, you really turned the light off. We managed to find some friends that will hold our bag for us, so we don't actually have to carry it around with us. And then, yeah, we do need to lock the door.
We said our belongings are not in there anymore. We don't care.
Maybe we got the photo of colours, that's what I want.
Do I just deep though? Where's the...
So as it's our last day, we decided to do a little walk around the grounds of the hotel. It's literally so beautiful and the sun is out, which is making it a little bit sad that we're leaving, but it's okay. We've made some good memories. I'm a little bit peckish, so I'm just gonna go to the snack bar, go get some food, see what they have. Our bus doesn't come, or our transport doesn't come till like 6:45, so we're just gonna be chilling around. I mean, it's hot and I've got this like jumper on, but I've kind of got it off the shoulder because I'm just like, the wind is still blowing, so it makes it a little bit breezy and a little bit chilly. But then when you sit in the sun, it's boiling hot. So I've got like a little top underneath it as well, just to kind of like, you know, if I do get too hot, I can just take it off. But yeah, just a little bit peckish. So I'm gonna go see what they have. In fact, let's show you what they have.
Why did you buy this beat though?
Yakubu, manage! We feel it like you want to die, but you're not die, exactly!
His Jenny K sent her.
The whole time that we've been here, they didn't have any spring rolls or like anything like a burger. So we got a little bit excited, but the chips are a bit, you know when chips have been sat like out and you know it's a bit soft, yeah, that's what it's given, but it's okay, we gonna eat. I definitely went up and got some more spring rolls. Bon appetit, or whatever the Italians say, I don't know. French. No, because where's spring rolls from? Anyway, doesn't matter.
Asian food.
The Burger King in Greece, they do chicken wings, right? But the chicken wings, they look very crispy. They look very, wow, look at that. I didn't get mine with any sauce or anything, but they're quite nice. I mean, it's a bit dry, so I probably could have done with some sauce, but delicioso. England, take some notes.